Welcome to plumbing. This career is always in demand. People always need a plumber to come to their homes. Plumbing teaches you many useful skills. Students don't just work on toilets. Here, a student is soldering pipes together with a torch and a solder. Another student is building a complete shower step by step, starting with a simple hole to the frame all the way to a working shower. Now, are you going to be one of the lucky 15 people to be a part of this career area? For more information, come talk to Mr. Besold in Plumbing.